To create a comprehensive guide for beginners on making money online with JD.com in 2024, we'll break it down into several steps. Please remember that making money online requires effort, patience, and persistence. Step 1. Understanding JD.com. JD.com is China's largest retailer and one of the world's leading e-commerce platforms. It offers a wide range of products and services, including those from third-party sellers. To make money online with JD.com, you can either sell products or provide services. Step 2. Research the market before diving in. Research the products or services you're interested in selling on JD.com. Analyze the demand, competition, and potential profit margins. This will help you identify lucrative niches and avoid oversaturated markets. Step 3. Create an account. Register for a JD.com seller account. You can do this by visiting their official website and following the instructions provided. You may need to verify your identity and provide other necessary information. Step 4. Source products or services. You can either sell your own products or become a reseller for other brands. You can also offer services like virtual assistants, content creation, or consulting. Ensure that you have a reliable source of supply for your products or services. Step 5. List your products or services. Create detailed and attractive product listings or service descriptions. Include high-quality images, accurate descriptions, and competitive pricing. Optimize your listings for search engines and make sure they're easy to navigate. Step 6. Marketing and promotion. Promote your products or services to attract potential buyers. You can use various marketing strategies like social media advertising, influencer marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO). Collaborate with other sellers or brands to cross-promote your offerings. Step 7. Customer service and support. Provide excellent customer service to maintain a good reputation and encourage repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries, process orders sufficiently, and handle any issues that may arise professionally. Step 8. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly track your sales, revenue, and other key performance indicators, KPIs. Analyze this data to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to your strategy. Step 9. Expand your business. Once you've established a successful online presence on JD.com, consider expanding your business by exploring other e-commerce platforms, launching your own website, or offering additional products or services. Step 10. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest trends, technologies, and changes in the e-commerce industry to ensure your business remains competitive and profitable. Remember, making money online takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and continuously learn and adapt to succeed in the world of e-commerce.